I'm standing in one of Weatherford's most desired gated communities, Hidden Springs Ranch. This beautiful home sits on a large 2-acre lot. It was built in 2021 and is just over 3,400 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, an office, and a game room. It also has a 3-car garage. Welcome to 148 Bittersweet Trail. What makes this home so special is it sits on a hill on one of the highest parts of the neighborhood and great outdoor recreation. Rich history and culture and thriving economy. Welcome to 148 Bittersweet Trail.